Stop paying for AI. I mean it. While everyone else is busy arguing over who has the best $20 a month chatbot for making a pretty picture, Google just did something insane. They didn't just launch a tool, they quietly released their entire professional grade AI arsenal. And the whole thing is absolutely free. No, this is not about writing your emails. This is a stack of tools so powerful that researchers are doing a week's worth of work in seconds. This is the new unfair advantage. And while your competition is still stuck in a single chat box, I'm giving you the 6-tool playbook, the exact workflow. This is the guide Google doesn't want you to see. Let's go. Alright, so it's 10 p.m. Your exam is tomorrow. You're staring at 5 chapters, 30 articles, a 100-page PDF of notes, and you are screwed. This is tool number 1, NotebookLM, and this is your new secret weapon. So I'm dumping everything in here, all 5 chapters, my messy class notes, a few web links, all at once. Instantly, it reads, indexes, and summarizes everything. But you haven't seen the real magic yet. Google calls it Studio. Now let's be honest, you're tired, your eyes hurt, you just cannot read another word. So you don't have to, you just click Audio Overview and NotebookLM instantly generates a ready-to-go podcast of all your notes. You can plug in your earphones, go for a walk, and just listen to your chapters.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're kind of giving you a shortcut, taking this really dense stack of advanced chemistry sources.
It's your entire notes instantly turned into a binge-worthy AI podcast. Okay, so the audio podcast is great, but what if you're a visual learner? You've listened to the chapter, but it just hasn't clicked. You need to visualize it. Fine, you click Video Overview, and in about 60 seconds, it generates a short animated explainer video for you. That one chapter you hated, you just got the 7-minute animated summary. This is a total game changer for complex topics. Alright, it's the next morning, it's the day of the exam. You've got 2 hours. You don't have time to re-listen or rewatch. You need revision. You click Mind Map and boom. It generates a complete interconnected map of all 5 chapters. You can see all the key topics, how they relate, and all the subpoints. This is your ultimate 1-page revision sheet. Okay, final step. It's 1 hour before the exam. You're outside the hall. It's time to improvise. You need to know, are you ready? You click quiz, it instantly generates a practice test based only on your notes. It's testing you on your own material. This is your final check. You find out exactly what you don't know before the professor does. Think about what just happened. You just hacked your exam for free. So NotebookLM is your exam day hack. But what about your job, your business, your creative hustle? Your problem isn't exams. Your problem is 10 different subscriptions, a tool for writing, images, video, email. It's a mess. This is tool number 2, Gemini. And no, this is not just a chatbot. This is your new central command. And it starts with the one thing no one else can do. It knows you. I'll just type it and look, it's connected, my Gmail, Drive, and photos. This is the personalized part. Watch this. Let me give it a prompt. Go into my Gmail. Find that presentation the designer sent me last month. Pull the 3 key ideas and go into my Google Drive. Find that picture I took of a whiteboard and summarize that too. It just did it. It read my private email, dug through my entire photo library, read my messy handwriting from a photo, and gave me a summary. This is not just an AI. This is your personal assistant. Okay, so Gemini is a genius at finding info in your private world. But what about everything else? What about the stuff you don't have? What's happening right now online? This is the deep research feature. You're not just searching Google. You're asking Gemini to read, understand, and analyze the entire live internet and bring you back a report. Okay, so let me just type in the prompt. Give me a deep 1,000-word analysis on the future of the Indian EV market, citing all your sources and include the latest Q3 2025 financial reports. And there we have our full-blown report. It did the thinking, the analysis, and the citation all by itself. So it's smart. It's a research intern. But is it creative? Can it actually make things for you? You're building a website for your new side hustle, a small high-end coffee brand. You don't have a $1,000 budget for a professional photo shoot. Watch this. I have given it a prompt. Create an ultra-realistic cinematic 16:9 hero image for a new coffee brand's website. A top-down shot of a black coffee in a minimalist matte black ceramic mug. The mug is on a dark rustic wooden table Add a few scattered coffee beans and a single small green plant in the soft focus background. The lighting should be soft morning light, coming from a window on the left. Look at this. That is not a stock photo. That is the exact custom professional grade image from my creative brief. So you've got your perfect product shot. But this is 2025. You need video for your ads, for your social feed. Normally you'd be back to square one, hiring a videographer. But this is the one that changes everything. Although this comes with a price tag, I have to show you this because this is the tool that lets you fire your video editor, your videographer, and your B-roll subscription all at once. This is Veo, Google's new video generation, and it's built right in. Let's use our coffee shot now. Animate that last image. Make steam gently rise from the coffee mug and have the camera slowly push in for 5 seconds. 1080p. Make it look cozy and professional. It's done. Here is a 1080p, high-definition, usable video clip ready to be used as a social media ad. But now that Gemini has done the creative heavy lifting, we need to think about the building part. This is tool number 3, Google AI Studio. And this is your new free custom productivity engine. It's exactly what it sounds like. You don't write code, you just describe the vibe, the goal, and it builds the app for you. Watch this. So here's my prompt. Build me a simple app. It needs one text input, product name, and a second text input, 3 key features. Then it needs a button that generates 5 different high energy Gen Z style product descriptions for an Instagram ad. Are you kidding me? Look at that. That's an app. It's a real functional UI with 2 text boxes and a button. It built the entire tool from my prompt. Now let's test it. I'll type dark roast, smoky, bold, intense, and I click generate. And it's a real working app. I just built a custom tool for my intern in 60 seconds by just describing an idea. This is a productivity hack. It's not about building some crazy app. It's about building a simple, smart tool that saves you 10 hours a week and gives you the exact data you need to grow your business. That is the real power of AI Studio. It's not just a chatbot, it's a factory that lets you build your own tools without writing a single line of code. And that's not just it. The real magic of AI Studio isn't the text bot, it's multimodality. It's the fact that it can see, hear, and talk. I'm going to show you the pro tip 99% of people miss. This little slider here, temperature, this is your creativity dial. You crank it down to 0. It's a robot. It's 100% facts. No jokes, no risks. You crank it up. It's an artist. It's a brainstormer. It's creative. It takes risks. You are literally controlling the personality of the AI before you even start. Okay, but that is just the start. This is AI Studio Live. This is where it gets eyes and ears. And this is the holy crap moment. This is the most powerful button on the platform. Share screen. This is a live AI companion. Imagine this. You're a designer. You're stuck in Figma. You're looking at a design and it just sucks. Show the share screen view and click talk. Hey studio, look at my screen. This website design is boring. Tell me verbally 3 specific things I can do right now to fix it. That is the real power of AI Studio. It's not just a chatbot, it's a collaborator. It has a creativity dial. It can generate realistic audio. And it can literally look over your shoulder and tell you how to do your job better. So AI Studio is a monster. It builds custom tools in seconds. But let's be 100% honest. This is ugly. It's functional, but it's ugly. You can't put this on your website. That's where tool number 4, Stitch, comes in. It's a prompt to a UI design generator. Let's build a UI for that exact ad copy generator we just made. Watch. Here's the prompt. I need a UI for an ad copy tool. Give me a cozy minimalist vibe for a coffee brand. I need 1 text input for product name, a second for key features, and a generate button. Show the 5 results in clean cards below. Okay, that is beautiful. It's a full responsive UI. It understood the cozy vibe. It built the input boxes, the button, the 5 cards. It just did a designer's entire job in 5 seconds. Now, it's not going to replace a $50,000 design agency. But for your V1, for your side hustle, this is it. But this is the part no one is talking about. This is the workflow. We're taking this real professional grade code and now we go back to our ugly engine and we take all that beautiful UI code and we paste it in. We just transformed our app. We took the brain from AI Studio and gave it the face from Stitch. This is the real zero coder stack. Build the logic in Studio, build the UI in Stitch, combine them and you have a world-class product that you built in 10 minutes. Okay, so You're a builder, you've got your product, you've got your website, you've done the hard part, but now you have to sell it. And this is the part that usually costs a fortune. This is where you hire an agency or a freelancer or just burn out trying to guess what to post. Welcome to tool number 5. Pomelli. It's deceptively simple. It's just one box, but this one box is about to replace an entire marketing agency. In that one simple box, you paste a URL. It could be any website. Let's use the coffee shop website we built. So here's what it does. I'm pasting in the URL of our website. I'm not giving it any other information. Now watch this. Look at that. It just scanned the website and built a complete brand DNA profile. It knows my colors, it knows my fonts, it knows my cozy tone of voice. It understands the brand from a single link. And now we put it to work by giving it this prompt. Generate a 1-week social media campaign for a fall special latte. I need 3 Instagram posts and 3 X posts. Keep the tone cozy and friendly. It's done. We have our images using the right brand colors and the captions using the right tone of voice. It just generated an entire week of professional on-brand marketing content. In one click, that is an entire marketing agency in a box for free. We've gone from research to creative to building to design to marketing. That's the 5-tool stack. And that is already an insane free workflow. But back in the intro, I promised you 5 tools and 1 secret wildcard. This is tool number 6, Opal. AI Studio builds complex apps. Stitch builds websites. Pomelli builds marketing. Opal builds other AI tools. This is the no-code builder for other no-code builders. This is how you make your own AI mini apps in 30 seconds just by describing them. We all have that one annoying task. For me, it's getting a super long, formal, confusing email from some random companies I don't even know. So instead of wasting time in reading all of that, what I will do? I'm not going to ask AI to help me. I'm going to build a tool that helps me. Watch. I'll give it a prompt. I need a tool. It needs 1 big text box for a formal email. And it needs 2 buttons. Button 1, translate to simple English. Button 2, draft a polite no thank you reply. And you see, it just built the app. It mapped the logic. It understood that 2 buttons meant 2 separate jobs. But this is just the blueprint. Now I click publish and it's live. It's a real app. It's a tool I can now bookmark and use every single day. So I paste in the horrible email. I click translate to simple English. Now I click draft a polite no thank you reply. Done. That's it. Think about what just happened. You didn't just use AI, you built an AI tool that's custom built for your life by just describing it. You could build a tweet idea generator, a resume helper, a meal planner. This is the zero coder dream, and this is the unfair advantage I promised you. And that is the secret stack. This is what's happening right now for free while everyone else is still arguing over a $20 chatbot. Google didn't just give you a tool, they gave you the entire factory. A research brain, a creative studio, a video editor, an app builder, a web designer, a marketing team, and a tool builder to make your own. You no longer have an excuse. The tools are here. They are free and 99% of the world has no idea they exist. But now you do. Your unfair advantage starts today. I've put links to all 6 of these tools down in the description. Go, get them, and go build something. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.